Hey guys, my name is Miha. This is Rupert. Rupert came in today to have his teeth checked. So he's a good boy. Parents are brushing his teeth daily. I just want to check if there's any abnormalities. First, we always have to say hello to them so they trust us. Then we open their little lips on the side and go all the way back. Look at the front. And we also open his mouth. He's quite good. He's a very well-behaved dog. We also check any kind of other abnormalities around, especially under the jaws, how the movements of jaws, the muscles, anything else that could interfere with the dental health. He's all healthy and his teeth are very pretty, so the parents are doing a good job.
Yeah.